What if just one night could completely change your life? Not months of grinding, not years of wishing. One single night. That's what this powerful manifestation method promises, a hidden teaching passed down by one of the most mysterious minds of the 20th century, Neville Goddard. If you've ever felt like you're just one moment away from a breakthrough, this might be it. Neville Goddard wasn't your typical spiritual teacher. He didn't preach blind faith. He believed in something far more radical, that your imagination is not fantasy but reality in disguise, that if you assume something with enough emotional intensity, the world will bend to match it. Sounds wild? Maybe, but thousands of people have used his ideas to completely transform their lives. And the method we're about to uncover is one of the most powerful tools in his entire philosophy. It's called the one-night manifestation method. And no, this isn't about wishful thinking or toxic positivity. This is about using the exact window when your brain is most open to change, the moments before sleep, to rewire your reality from the inside out. But to understand how this works, we need to go deeper into the core idea behind it, the law of assumption. Here's the simplest way to explain it. Whatever you assume to be true, good or bad, becomes your reality. Not because the universe magically rearranges itself on command, but because your subconscious mind starts filtering your experiences to match what you already believe. Your assumptions are like GPS coordinates for your life. If you believe you're meant to struggle, guess what? You'll find yourself in situations that reinforce that belief. But if you assume with conviction that you're already living the life you desire, your subconscious begins to act like it's true, and everything around you starts shifting. So how does this tie into one single night? Neville taught that there's a powerful gateway between the waking world and the subconscious, a fragile, hypnotic state that happens right before you fall asleep. It's called SATS, the state akin to sleep. In this moment, your defenses are down, your logic steps aside, and your mind becomes a sponge soaking in whatever emotional story you feed it. That's where the one-night manifestation method works its magic. If done right, it can set off a chain reaction in your life that you can't fully explain, because it works below the surface, where real change happens. Here's how to do it, step by step. Step 1. Set a crystal clear intention. This is not the time to be vague. If you want a better life, what specifically does that look like? Is it a new job, a healed relationship, more peace? Be honest, be bold, and state it in the present tense, as if it's already happened. Instead of, I want financial freedom, say, I am so grateful now that money flows to me easily and consistently. Your subconscious needs clarity, not confusion. It's like giving it a specific destination instead of saying, just drive. Step 2. Create stillness. Before you try to manifest anything, your mind needs to quiet down. Find a calm, cozy space. Dim the lights. Sit or lie down. Take deep, slow breaths. Let go of the noise of the day. This is sacred time, a meeting between you and your future. If you're still replaying old doubts in your head, let them float away like clouds. You're not here to force anything. You're here to align. Step 3. Visualize your desire. Vividly. Now that you're relaxed, close your eyes and bring your desire to life in your mind. Not just a picture, a scene. Imagine it like a movie already playing out. Where are you? Who's with you? What are you wearing? What does it feel like? Use all 5 senses. Hear the laughter, smell the air, feel the texture of what you're holding. This is more than daydreaming. You're reprogramming your mind with a new blueprint of reality. The more real it feels, the more powerful it becomes. Step 4. Add the emotion. Visualization without feeling is like a flame without fuel. You need the emotion of already having it. Joy, gratitude, relief, pride. These are the emotional signals that tell your subconscious, this is real, this is mine. Feel it fully, let it take over. Smile like it's already done. Breathe, like you're already living in it. When you connect to that emotion, you become magnetic. Step 5. Affirm it. repeatedly. Now that you've felt it, turn it into a phrase. One powerful line you can repeat to yourself, out loud or in your mind. It might be, "It is done," or "I'm living in my dream home," or "I am loved, safe, and free." Repeat it with conviction, not like a chant, but like a truth you're stepping into. If you want, write it down. Put it on your phone wallpaper. Keep it close. Repetition is what makes the belief stick. Step 6. Drift into sleep in that feeling. Here's where it all locks in. As you start to fall asleep, let that image and that emotion be the last thing you think about. Don't scroll your phone, don't rehash your worries. Just stay in the movie of your desire fulfilled. Let it replay softly in your mind as you drift off. That's the moment your subconscious takes over and the seed of your new reality gets planted deep, and that's it. That's the method. No 30-day challenge, no morning rituals, just one night of focused intention, feeling, and surrender. But let's be real. Most people don't follow through, not because it's hard, but because they doubt. They overthink. They check the results. The next day, like a package delivery. Did it work? Is it here yet? But manifestation doesn't work on your timeline, it works on alignment. Your job is not to control how or when. Your job is to feel it's already done and live from that place. Now, here's why this actually works on, a psychological level. Your subconscious mind runs your life. It controls over 90% of your habits, decisions, and reactions. And it doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's vividly imagined. That's why athletes visualize success before a game. That's why you cry at movies. Your mind believes what it feels emotionally true. And during SATs, that sleepy twilight state, your subconscious is wide open. You're literally rewiring your beliefs while you sleep. Even science backs it up. The reticular activating system, RAS, in your brain is like a filter. When you assume something is true, like "I'm always lucky" or "people love helping me," the RAS starts noticing more proof of that in your environment. It tunes your awareness to match your belief. That's why assumptions matter. They don't just change how you feel, they change what you see. But there are mistakes people make that can sabotage the process. First, being too vague. The universe isn't a mind reader. If you don't know what you want, how can it respond clearly? Second, overthinking. You don't need to figure out how it's going to happen. That's not your job. Third, doubting the next day. If you plant a seed and dig it up every morning to see if it's growing, it never will. Trust the process. After, you wake up from your one-night manifestation practice, carry yourself like it's done. Walk differently, talk differently. Act like someone who already has it, because that's what creates the magnetic pull between your inner world and the outer one. You may start noticing small things shift, a random opportunity, a new connection, a flash of inspiration. That's the universe responding. Stay alert, stay aligned, and most importantly, stay grateful. Gratitude tells the universe, "More of this, please." So what are you manifesting tonight? Take one night, just one, and try this. Not as an experiment, but as an act of faith. See what happens when you stop begging the universe and start aligning with it. The one-night manifestation method isn't just a technique, it's a doorway. And the key has always been in your hands.